this maroon color, wine color, obviously the Bordeaux colorway. Hey everybody, welcome back to Kicks in the Second Half. We're back with another shoes unboxing episode. This is going to cover the Jordan 6s that I've gotten several months ago, the Jordan 6 Bordeaux, which is usually referring to that reddish wine color of the sneaker. They did just release the Jordan 1 high tops, the OG version. I did not try to get that shoe because I realized that I needed to go back and do the Jordan 6s, but if you got those, I'm sure they're a dope looking shoe. But let's go to these 6s. This is my take on it. You know, I like to dress it up for y'all, show you that on foot review and just go over the details of the shoe. I did get these from Hibbett Sports on a re-release, a restocking. I was kind of on there in the middle of the day. This is probably back in August or something like that. Let's look at the shoe. So here's the box here. You got your big red Jumpman on the front, just the black with the cement print. But here's the tag, size 13, black Bordeaux, light graphite. So let's get into the shoe. Open up the box. Here you go. You have that cement paper. Boom. Looking at the sneaker, here are the Jordan 6 Bordeaux. Wow, look how they lace this up. That is super tight. Look at that. I mean, so let's get into some of the details of the shoe. So obviously with the Jordan 6, mostly what catches your eye is the black and gray, just the patterning there as far as how the black and gray are separated, kind of blocked off. You got the gray toe box there. The accent here is that Bordeaux color, the wine color, basically the whole tongue, and then this overlay of the tongue with the black Jumpman logo on there. That is dope. And I like this little hint of, what is this, like a taxi university yellow, university gold maybe, I guess that's what you would call that. But I do love the pull tab on the back and that Bordeaux colorway with like a lime, not a lime green, like an olive green, like an Italian vibe there with the red wine color. Then you have the olive color. So that is really cool. In particular, you know, when I'm thinking about dressing this sneaker, I'm thinking about maybe hitting up the grays here if I'm not doing jeans, you know, especially if I'm talking about joggers, which you can find joggers in multiple colors. If I'm thinking gray, right off the bat, I'm thinking about like a charcoal gray. And as far as that Bordeaux color, I like to get most of my clothes from Express. I did want to wait till it was cooler weather to kind of wear these. I think I have a wine color sweater. If you can't find Bordeaux, type in wine Express. So if they have any more of the sweaters that are in wine, I can leave that in the link below. I can easily go black jeans, black joggers with that. So I want to kind of keep it dark and keep the tones the same. That's an accent. If you wanted to definitely dress it down and be even more casual, you might want to put on a university gold shirt. I'm going to hit up this sneaker and kind of dress it up, just keep it kind of more of an elegant finish with these sneakers, just to kind of shock it a little bit as far as what you typically might see somebody wearing with this. I'm going to want to make it more of the holiday season as far as getting to those reds. If I wanted to, I could probably try to hit up an olive green top. That would be kind of interesting to wear. That's the cool thing about winter. So when you're talking about fashion, when we talk about dressing up sneakers, anything like this with a multitude of colors there that you can kind of hint off, especially being darker colors, which remind you of fall or winter, you can definitely layer up your look. Have a shirt, have a jacket, have them two different colors if you like to. That matches the shoe. You can bring things together just with different layers of clothing. I could do a sweater and a jacket. Looking at the tongue here, says Jordan engraved on the tongue, and the inside of the tongue, the back of the heel with the black Jumpman logo. It's keeping it dressed up actually for you because it's not giving you like a university gold Jumpman, which would probably be pretty cool in this sneaker as well. But you do have that university gold on the bottom of the shoe. And like I said before, when you're walking, you got to consider that you do get some glimpses of the bottom of the shoe when you walk. Let's get out the other sneaker. Oh yeah, by the way, man, yeah, one cool thing to look at is that they did give you secondary set of laces in the Bordeaux colorway. So just wash out the tongue with all Bordeaux right there. And I think I'm going to just keep these stock with the black laces, but always save your laces. You can use them on other Jordans. Just keep the laces. You never know when you might need them. I'm not trying to be too vibrant with it because I think what's going to pick up with the shoe is the silhouette itself. Being a Jordan 6, I love the pull tab of the Jordan 6s. They're one of my favorite Jordans. I wear my diffused blue Jordans all the time, especially in the summer, because it just kind of goes with more of a marine type, not a marine, what do I want to call it? What's it called? It's not called boat. Oh yeah, more of like a nautical look. You know, the blue laces, the blue upper, the Jumpman on the back is blue as well. These are going to be good for winter for me. Getting these on foot, I hope you like that. wanting to look at that again, you don't have to necessarily come back to this video unless you want to look at the details of the shoe when I go over the up close of the shoe. If you want to look at the outfit that I'm wearing, if it's that same outfit or a different outfit, depending on how many I do, under Kish YZ at KISH_YZ, and you can look at pictures there without having to come back to this video. Also, hit us up on Twitter. I do a lot of NBA talk, mostly for Twitter, at KISH_YZ. Also, hit us up on TikTok because I'll be doing some type of dance in this shoe, same as Instagram, same as Twitter. And if you're interested in NBA talk, you know, definitely come back here to YouTube or hit us up on Spotify, Anchor.fm. You can find us there under Kish YZ, KISH space YZ. But yeah, thank you for kicking it in the second half. This has been Kicks in the second half. I hope you've been enjoying the content. I do have more to get out. I think these kind of go with the holiday theme with the reds and the greens. This is going to give you a different vibe with the reds, not like the University red or the chili red ones that I did. If you haven't seen that, you can click that video. Thank you for tuning in. Come back for more. We got more to show you. Peace and love.